Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a page in Google Docs that won't delete. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the most common cause is empty paragraph. So go ahead and open up your Google Doc, scroll to that page that won't delete. And then from there, we want to go ahead and press backspace repeatedly for Windows or delete for Mac. And then that should go ahead and delete that page. Now, method 2 is to turn on non-printing characters. So hidden formatting can reveal what's causing the page. So for example, create a document. If you've got a document with these hidden formatting, to enable it, we want to go ahead and click on view, click on show non-printing characters, and then delete any page breaks. So to delete a page break, you want to click at the top of it and then click on delete, and that's going to delete that page break. So if you got that page break on that page, that blank page, that's probably why you can't delete it. So you need to delete the page break or any breaks, and this can include section breaks as well.